We have taken the testing in about 4 phases. The first phase is the drop-off. And the drop-off is to target to look at how the passengers will, first of all, be dropping, how the vehicles will be directed, how the safety features relating to our passengers moving from the vehicles into town will be done, and what are the challenges even for the disabled and even for the pregnant women and other part of society who may not make it by walking to town. Although the drop-off point is pretty close to town, we have organized the Kenya Railway, together with Kenya Railway, commuter buses which are taking disabled people to town free of charge and to their destination, and those who are carrying luggage who today did not expect will being carried free of charge. So in our view, we have seen what we designed working pretty well. We have seen, we took the peak time, which was from 6 to 9 o'clock, so that we can get the maximum impact, so that we can assimilate exactly what's happening. What we have seen is that the terminal can swallow and can take all the vehicles along there, so that by 9, it started at 6. It picked up by 6:45. We had the maximum vehicles. It is now dropping as we approach 7:30, and we expect that by 9 there will be fewer vehicles. That was what we anticipated. We've also seen the swell in passengers, the people who are walking. It also took the same curve. What we need to improve, there are certain improvements. Nonetheless, the testing was meant really to deal with the safety element, the ability of making sure that our Kenyans who use this park are not affected by the traffic. So there are areas which we are going to improve, particularly the vehicle passenger dropping off, how they cross, and how they land onto the walkway going back to town. That area needs improvement, and we are going to do so. So far, in terms of the ability for it to take all the buses which are from Kenya Railways, we are satisfied that it can do that. So the testing is in 4 phases, as I said earlier. Phase 1 will be the dropping. Phase 2 will be the electronic system, which will be integrated with the NTSA system, picking up which vehicles are coming from which circle, how they are dropping, and how they are being led into picking through our controlled system, which we have tested before and is working. The third part will be the pick-off points. How are people picked within which circle? And how do the vehicles then go? As you'll notice today, we did not constrain the vehicles exiting in whichever direction they want. We left that still open. But actually the exit point will be through the procession way. As we build together with the expressway, a dedicated lane from this point where the vehicles will take directly to Kenyatta Avenue without necessarily going to town. So we'll have a full dedicated lane going in that direction.